begin by creating my bald line in the shape of an arc. Then I'm going to remove all the hair underneath and bald it out using my shaver. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some holding spray and line up his C-cup. I'm going to start with the top part of the hook and then the bottom part and then connect it together. And my client particularly wanted to keep most of the hair in his temple area, so I made sure not to bring up the fade too high. Now using the 1.5 with the lever closed, I'm going to go up about an inch. And when dealing with curly hair, I'm making sure I'm always brushing or combing the hair down. And now using my thinning shears, I blended in that line to the bulk that he wants to keep. Now using the 0.5 with the lever closed, I'm going to go up about half an inch from my initial bald line. Then I'm going to open the lever and blend into that 1.5 area. Then using no guard with the lever closed, I'm going to blend in that bald line, and as I'm moving my way up, I'm opening my lever bit by bit, blending everything together. And to detail a bit more, I went back and used my thinning shears over a comb. And now for the back, I repeat the same steps, only this time I use the number 3 for the length of the top part of the fade. Now moving on to his back neckline, I'm isolating all the hair that I need for the lineup. Then using my number 1 with the lever closed, I'm gonna cut down any long hairs and make the neckline shorter and easier for me to line up. Once I've tapered the area, I'm now gonna apply some holding spray to keep the hairs in place, and then proceed to use my trimmers to line him up. And for the curve above the ear, I am using the corner of my trimmers to make it easier to line up. Now my client usually likes to just get his corners lined up to match up with the middle part. So I went ahead and tapered the corners using a 1 guard and then matched his corners with the front part of his lineup. And since his vertical bars are a bit thin, I use my straight razor and lightly tap them, avoiding a pushback. And then to finish things off, I went ahead and applied some enhancements. I kept asking my client how dark he wanted the enhancement. It's something I like to do to ensure that it's to their liking. And here's the finished haircut. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more.